What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, yet again, another day tracking the S&P 500 where we decide to open below the ascending triangle that we're currently trading in, or we were currently trading in for that matter. You can clearly see we had some sort of higher low pattern forming here where the bottoms kept moving higher than the previous ones. The problem is we had a price ceiling right here. Prices were not able to get above this just yet, and we still haven't been able to. So I actually want to just jump to the daily really quick and see how we were reacting. Yeah, so we pretty much closed yesterday like on the line of resistance here. You know, if we wanted to, I could slightly tweak it down, but anything more and I'm messing up the ascending triangle here. There may be a price floor that's actually forming now. This is what seems to be correcting or turning into here. You can see if I jump to the 4 hour again, you can kind of see what it is that we're looking at right here. It does seem to be some sort of bottom for sure. Definitely does seem to be some sort of bottom. So I think at this point, I'm going to just remove this ascending triangle. I'll leave it up for right now, this uptrend here, and we'll see how we play out. But yes, as you guys can see, we're below our ascending triangle here. The major cryptocurrencies are yet again retesting critical resistance levels here. This is a major retest right now. This is a major retest. That's either A, going to send us, like I said, this week, correcting all the way down, plummeting, or breaking up to some pretty substantial levels, which is quite exciting here. You can see Ethereum as well is in a kind of descending fractal as well, very similar. Not yet at the resistance or the major retest. Same thing with Bitcoin. We're not yet at that major retest. We are kind of, that's not to say we are. I mean, there is some more room for us to continue to trade sideways, but we are pretty much battling this resistance right now, which is interesting here. And you can see we're kind of getting rejected off this and correcting lower. So we have to decide what exactly is going on. The past couple of days, we've been tracking the sideways channel. It's been extremely boring. I know it's been just a day after day after day of waiting patiently for this sideways consolidation to end. And then the uncertainty would grant us the decision that comes, either a bullish break to the upside or a correction to the downside. As you guys know, sideways, stagnation that happens here, the stagnant movements typically end in a bullish run to the upside or the downside, but they do tend to break fairly aggressively here. And I've shown you references, I think, in yesterday's video, so I'm not going to do it again. But yeah, we're going to be tracking this once again, going over what exactly we can deal with, how we can, profit off this, what the signs are that we're looking for, and when to be buying or selling off or shorting for that matter. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. Really quick, guys, before we dive into today's technical analysis, I just dropped literally 30 minutes ago a new video on my finance, on my second channel, my finance channel. As you guys can see right here, stock market bottom, recession is still coming. I'm not going to spoil this for you guys. There's a lot of crazy information. I honestly think this might be one of my best videos so far on this finance channel. There's a lot of crazy stuff happening right now within our economy that I feel like not many people know about, and it's definitely smart to be informed and understand what's going on with the market so you can better prepare yourself with your 401k, with your retirement, with your investments, even just filling up at the pump. You should know why the prices are going up, and all of that will be explained in this video right here. So definitely share some love. Giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there, halfway there. And yeah, check it out. Link down in the description. It's right at the top there. But to dive into the technical analysis, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies. A quick refresh will reveal that everything is consolidating yet again at 1.24 trillion in global crypto market cap. Sideways trading, down 1.2% for pretty much every crypto here. Nothing substantial is happening here. It's so boring. It's really so boring. And I know that, guys. It's a consistent thing that has happened over and over and over and over again within XRP. There's a big chance here that XRP might just trade outside. We literally might just trade outside this downtrend here. And the only reason I suggest that is because of this this little bump right here. Like, we could, I don't want to, and it doesn't really make sense, extend it outwards here. Regardless, at this point, it's like we're not even going to be using this downtrend here anymore. The fact is we do have the sideways channel. This is the most important thing that we have to look at here. It's this price floor and this price ceiling. I don't really care anymore about this downtrend. This is a helpful tool. It's almost like the timing tool. And as you guys can see, we're filling in the gap right here. This is basically going to tell us when the timing is of the breakout, which could be right now, if not in the next day. This is showing that we don't really have any more room to trade sideways. However, the problem is if we can break through that, it's once again meaning that we're trending inside the sideways channel, which will, who knows how long this could continue. It's already been quite a long time now. The date range currently, it's been a total of 29 days, pretty much a month of sideways, stagnant, boring trading on XRP. I haven't made any trades this month, to be honest with you, on XRP, or at least any profitable ones for that matter. But I think we tried like once or twice in the beginning, and then we just decided, and I'm speaking of my friend and I who run my Patreon, we've just decided to wait this out, and hopefully when we get that confirmation break, then we'll buy in. It's much easier for us to short this on BitYard, as you guys know, than it is for us to buy long. The only reason is if we break through this major support at about 38 cents here, it's an easy grab and an easy expectation. We see a dump probably back down to 20 cents very quickly and very abruptly, because you could see consistently the drops happen pretty rapidly on XRP after hitting resistance. It's a pretty substantial downfall within like a week, and that could very well happen again and we fall like this, but vice versa, we could easily trend out of this. And I still wouldn't buy in long, and who knows how long this is going to take. The only confirmation we have is once breaking above major resistance at 46 cents, then I can buy long, because I expect to see prices swing us up to retest these moving averages here, which would scale lower. That's where I would expect to see the markets run up to, about 61 cents there. And this applies to a lot of the other cryptos. Ethereum is the same exact thing. You can see Ethereum is trending sideways, not just yet retesting major resistance here, but we are getting very close. You can see once again, not to use this. This helps with the timing of the breakout, but not necessarily, it's not that important here. So we could get sandwiched in here, fill in the gap. Decision would then have to be made. If we break below support, we know to buy in for a short. And if we break above, not this resistance, but if you could, you could leverage this to the upside on like the hourly, extremely aggressive trade, which I'm not a fan of, but you could. Really what we're looking for is a break above this resistance here, the start. If we break above 2140, then I expect to see prices rally us up closer to $2,600, $2,700. Same thing with Bitcoin, which is currently hitting that right now. If we can break through major resistance up here at 31K, we buy long all the way up to here. If we break through bottom support, we short it to the downside here. Obviously doing all this on BitYard. BitYard is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging website that I talk about all the time here on the channel. I'm even wearing my shirt. The reason I do is because this website offers XRP trading, which not many others do, which is awesome here. They also offer spot trading, and I've been using them for like 2 years now, and I've had zero flaws. There's been zero problems. And if there is one that comes up, there has been maybe one or two. I just quickly clicked help and then typed in my reason, the problem, and they solved it in, I think, less than an hour or two, which is awesome. But otherwise, they do have XRP right here, and they even have other altcoins here, which is super cool. You can trade. The best part about this is they offer a demo account. You can see if you click demo, it gives you about, I think, $100,000 in Monopoly money, play money to test your skills. Nothing changes on the website, so it allows you to get familiar, which is cool because not many other exchanges do that. It changes everything on the platform. This stays exactly the same. Not only that, if you sign up with the link down in the description below, click on Mystery Box, you can actually earn some free crypto. You could also click Daily Mine, which allows you to mine some alternate cryptocurrencies. I don't know why it's not letting me now, which is unfortunate, because it usually does it daily, and I don't know why I haven't been able to do that today. Maybe it's just not loading right, but regardless, I do like BitYard quite a lot, and I definitely recommend that you check it out. I do like their spot trading and their derivatives platform here. But moving on, these other cryptocurrencies we talked about, the S&P 500 is the only thing I'm pretty much keeping an eye on here, because we've been stagnant also for quite some time. We did bottom. I mentioned in my finance video that we did bottom. You could see we hit 38. We've consolidated all the way up to 41. So you can see that that happened. We did see a pretty substantial run after a 7-week decline. Now we're kind of filling in the gap here, trading sideways until we either break through the bottom and correct lower, and vice versa, break through the top and swing up. It's the same pattern. Bitcoin's had it. Ethereum's had it, XRP's had it, S&P is also sideways trading here. So once we get that confirmation break, once we get that confirmation, then we know we can buy in for either a long or short position here. I'm still hoarding money on the side, cash, to put into the S&P 500 if and when the markets do decide to decline lower. But that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.